Love all, trust few. Everything is real, but not everyone is true. Trust takes years to build, seconds to break, and forever to repair. Love is nothing without action. Trust is nothing without proof, and sorry is nothing without change. Trust is like a paper. Once it's crumpled, it can't be perfect again. Trust, one word, 1 second to say, one lifetime to prove it. Only that person is trustworthy who can see these 3 things in you: the sorrow behind your smile, the love behind your anger, and the reason behind your silence. When you fully trust someone without any doubt, you finally get one of 2 results: a person for a life or a lesson for life. Don't trust people whose feelings change with time. Trust people whose feelings remain the same even when time changes. 3 words better than I love you are I trust you. Life is the most difficult exam. Many people fail because they try to copy others, not realizing that everyone has a different question paper. The best ornament is humility. The richest wealth is wisdom. The strongest weapon is patience. The best security is faith. The best tonic is laughter. Live life like a pair of walking feet. The foot that is forward has no pride. The foot that is behind has no shame, because they both know their situation will change. The way to happiness is: keep your heart free from hate, your mind from worry, live simply, give much, fill your life with love. Never be too much available for someone, otherwise you will lose your importance. The ultimate source of my mental happiness is my peace of mind. Nothing can destroy this except my own anger. Remember that not getting what you want is sometimes a wonderful stroke of luck. If you think you're too small to make a difference, try sleeping with a mosquito in the room. Without communication, there is no relationship. Without respect, there is no love. Without trust, there is no reason to continue. Relationships are not exams to pass or fail, and not a competition to win or lose, but it's a feeling in which you care for someone more than yourself.